Hi everyone, I am the Winter Bunny and today I'll be showing you how to make this really self-inflating butter slime. So yeah, let's get started. You'll need some white PVA glue, some clear glue, I'm using Elmer's. You'll also need some foaming facial wash, some lotion, some Daiso clay, some activator, and something to mix in and something to mix with. So start by pouring in your white glue. You can add as much as you want. And then add some clear glue. This will add a little bit of thickness to it. And then add in a few squirts of lotion and 2 squirts of foaming facial cleanser. You can add a little bit more to make it more self-inflating if you want. And then mix everything together thoroughly. Once it's all mixed in, you can go ahead and add in your activator and then mix that in well. And then add more when you need to. And then use your hands and start kneading it, and it will be sticky. So my glue works a little bit differently. It's kind of like glue wall, but like a thinner version, if that makes any sense. So it's a bit harder to activate than normal school glue. So here I'm just swirling the slime so that later I'll get a few extra bubble pops when I mix the clay in. So now I just added my Daiso clay, and this was most of it, but actually not the whole thing. So I added a little bit off camera so that I'd get the nice texture that I wanted. If you want a more thicker and holdable slime, just add in some baby powder. So I don't know if this works the same with corn flour since I haven't tried, but you can try that, but I don't think it will work as well as baby powder. So don't add too much of it, otherwise it makes it harder to stretch and it doesn't inflate as much. And if you accidentally add too much, just add in some lotion to soften it. And now you're done, so enjoy the ASMR. And now you're done. So remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye!